Hey Kaniva, this is WV Outlaw 22 coming at you with another great tutorial. But before we get started, I want to throw a little shout out to the CEO of Kaniva, Chris Claus, Jojo_66, and as well as some of the technicians, starting off with Vanilla Smoothie, Alligator, the great Sophias, Electric Mind, and some of the other techs that working really hard for Kaniva to bring us all these great products. Thank you for all their hard work. So now, what is a smart object? In our last tutorial, we covered smart objects, but basically a smart object is something that is pre-scripted, uploaded to the Kaniva servers for the members or users, where you don't have to know anything about scripting except to place in your world and pretty much fix the settings to your likings. Let's do a little recap, like these moving platforms here. In order to get to the settings, you right mouse click, edit properties, and then in here you can adjust all the properties to your liking. But don't get overwhelmed. If you get overwhelmed, don't worry. What my suggestion is to turn off all of them for now, and then basically start off one at a time, save, and then see what all it does. That's the best way to learn, and this way you can adjust it and understand how the settings work. Well, with all that said, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make a platform. So let's get started. Okay, first thing we got to do is we got to go to inventory, and let's go to our smart objects. And if you haven't purchased one, well, what you can do is you go to shop, go to smart objects, and purchase. You could purchase like this Kaniva moving platform, and let's go ahead and buy this item and buy with rewards, and let's choose done. Okay, still back in our inventory, here's our moving platform, and you can also go to the drop down arrow and go to however they're classified, the designers or whoever uploaded them, they can go ahead and put them in different categories. So we'll go to general for now. Okay, let's say we wanted to make a moving platform out of an object that we created in SketchUp or 3ds Max, or something we've already got in our inventory. Well, the first thing we need to do is we go to the item that we purchased in shop. We click on duplicate, and it gives us a little script name, or a box with a script name. Here we give our script a name. So I'm going to call mine Tones Script, and we click on done. Let's go back over here, back to smart objects, and you can see that my script was built for me automatically. So now what we do is we click on our script and we get an edit button. We go to edit, and we get the properties of our object, which has all the settings to move the players, the move to coordinates, and so on and so forth. Well, we step over here to advanced, and you can see we have edit model. So we click on edit model, and this gives us access to items that are in our inventory, objects that we can turn into a moving platform. So let's go ahead and choose something in there if we can find. And I'll tell you what, I'm going to choose this toxic barrel. Choose the toxic barrel, click done, And as you can see, the toxic barrel is placed in the object editor. So now, once we have our object that we want to turn into a platform, we go to publish. And here we're able to give our item a name. So let's call this moving toxic barrel. And we're going to go ahead and put it in, let's see, we'll just put it in general for now. And same thing, let's just copy and paste this. Tags elevator. Of course, like I said, all this is preference. And we're going to leave it public. Pass type, general. And for my commission, I'm just going to put 0. And you're more than welcome to blast it. In this case, I won't. And then go ahead and create your item. Okay, so now we've got a moving toxic barrel in shop. And there it is. So let's go to our inventory again. And let's go ahead and place our toxic barrel. And there it is. Go ahead and place it. And let's test it out. As you can see, it's already moving. So we can just jump on it and we go for a ride. And the same thing applies. If you want to edit it in any way to your likings, right mouse click, edit properties, and again you can adjust your settings as you like. For now, I think I'm going to try the move when clicked. So we'll go ahead and turn this off, turn that off, and this. Turn on click and save. So now let's give it a try. Okay, let's give it a try. Let's check the properties again. Okay, there we go. Sorry about that. Anyway, we set the click on when we jump on it. There we go. We jump on it. We click on it. And it moves back and forth. Okay, there you go. Well, you get the basic idea, but it's working. So that's how we create our very own smart objects. And the same way we created that toxic barrel is the same way we create this guy over here. Except we would use the monster script to create him the very same way.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah, baby.
Okay, well, hopefully this helped you out to get started creating your very first smart object. And can't wait to see what you've done. As always, you can contact me in game if you have any questions, or K-mail me. This is WV Outlaw 22 saying talk to you later.